All right, so what's our process here?
I'm thinning out chalk paint with water.
So this paint is called chalk paint. You can buy it from Home Depot of Bears, right?
Well, Bears is one line, but
That's a better type of quality paint, right?
well, yes and no.
So we're gonna pour it in here, and we got it nice and thinned out. Now we're gonna try it on the chairs. They're expensive too. So let's see how it looks first. We're gonna do a test right here. And as you can see, she's just getting the flavor of it and how it works. We're gonna try it again over here. Because first, we're gonna test it. See how she works. If it works good, then we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. And just like everything, we're gonna eyeball it. Because we don't need no stinking plans. We just do it, make it happen. All right, so what do you think? Painting fabric with chalk paint.
I think I have to water it some more.
All right, so you got to get the proper consistency, and that's very important. We like to do it right on the counter. That way we can make a big as mess as possible. All right, I think she's ready to do it.
I can drag it off.
How's it look? What do you think?
I think that's fine.
Yeah. You ready to do a test on the fabric itself?
Yep. I don't really care how it comes out because I can change it.
That's true. Worst case scenario, you paint the whole chair.
Yep. So more water and more saturation. Let's do it. Screw it.
Let's do it. Marley, here we go. It's gonna be crazy. Don't drop it.
We'll do the back first.
All right, so we're gonna do a test on the back.
Not really a test because that's it. However, I should put something underneath, but I didn't have it. You know what? You can grab me that green blanket over there and I'll put it underneath.
Green blanket coming up. We're not gonna take any chances putting the drop cloth down. And here we go. This is our first experiment.
From here.
All right, so first of all, get the feel in your mind. What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Make it happen.
Do I care?
Nope, just go for it. It's only your living room. Painting fabric.
So I can do more.
That's it.
So I need more paint in this fabric. This fabric is heavier, so I can use more paint on it. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
So will you grab me the can of paint?
Grab the can of paint, bring it out
The
here.
white paint, yeah. Let's do it again.
So what? Let me ask you a question. Why are you doing that?
Because it's too watery. I want thicker. I want more paint. And I don't even mind the idea of this. I just want a little bit more paint. So actually, sorry, will you bring me that plastic container that I was using too?
Plastic
I'm gonna pour
container.
it in there and mix it up.
Plastic container.
Thank you. So back to this.
Okay, so you're gonna just.
So I'm
Okay.
gonna
I
add
see.
more paint and thicken it up now.
Okay. I don't know. What do you think? It looks thicker. It's covering better.
Yeah. Might have to be a little bit more thicker.
Looks good.
Might leave that.
Just like that? It's kind of cool. Well, we're coming back to see what kind of progress we made. And it looks fantastic. Oh my gosh.
I don't know,
I love it. Walk in, bam, you got this cool looking design here. And then you've got this nice nice color.
I'm just gonna add more
Looks
white.
good.